What's up, guys? We got my man Eddie over here. I'm having a bad back, and he's gonna crack me up, man. Like, crack my back, not make me laugh. Alright, tell me what we're gonna do in terms of chiropractic speak.
So today I'm going to adjust Connor Meese's lower lumbar, and his spinal erectus malfunctus is going to get a placement, and it's going to be a nice crack-a-lacka. Alright, first I'm going to need you to remove your shirt. Alright, sir, just lay down here. I'm going to need you to remove your shirt, please.
No.
Why not?
You really want me to?
Yeah, remove the shirt, man.
Alright.
Alright, there you go, man. So I get a better crack. Alright. Alright, do a little, just go and relax.
Show them the bad areas. Know what you're doing now.
Alright, so right now I'm just loosening him up. Gonna loose up Big Con here. He's a big weightlifter, you know, he lifts heavy weights, so his back gets a lot of stress. So you just wanna rub him out a little.
Oh. Like right there, where your palm is?
Yeah.
That's the bad area.
Alright. Relax.
Oh. Oh.
Alright. Get a big breath in.
Alright, I'll take my head off.
What? Big breath in, Con. Big breath out. Alright. Big breath in. Big breath out. Keep it out relaxed. Ooh, that was a good one, huh?
Oh my god.
They're flat.
Oh, that was a great one.
Alright, get on your side. We're gonna try to adjust his lower twisty. Shirt goes back on for this part of the exercise. Adjustment, chiropractic, catallacty, ectoplacty. Alright, we're gonna do now, we call this one the side twister. Side twister you wouldn't get from your sister, only a mister, alright? Remember that one. Now hug yourself, there you go, leg up. Right there. Huge breath in.
Remember,
I know.
I do better.
Huge breath in. Now all the way out.
oh, no.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, that was a good crack. Here you go, just like this. Now, give me this leg. Right there. Alright, ready? Big breath in. Big breath out. Nothing.
Nothing.